So here are the personal pronouns that you use in Malagasy language. Izao or au, it means I. Ianao, you. Easy, he or she. Izai, we, us, not inclusive. Isika, we, us, but including the person to whom you are talking to. Ianareo, you, in plural. Izreo, rizareo, they. Let's see some examples. In Malagasy, you always put the predicate first and then the subject. For example, miresaka au, very au, matahotra izy, malahelo isika, reraka izahay. So in Malagasy, we also have what we call possessive personal pronouns. You would take the base word and add the following suffixes. Ku for mine, nau or au for yours, ni, nani for his or hers, nai, I, anakai for ours, not inclusive. Tsika for ours, inclusive. Nareu, areu, nreu for you, plural. Ni for theirs. Uata, example. Luako, vulko, sezako, ranko, tranony, akanjony, azoko, tsy azoko, tsy aiko, tsy fantatray. There are some exceptions with words ending with ka, cha, or na. So when you see those words, you need to drop the ka, tra, na at the end and then add the following suffixes. Example, fantachu. It comes from the base word fantacha. You drop the cha at the end and add chu, fantachu, fantachau, fantani, fantatsik, fantachay, fantachareu, fantani. Another example, for instance, the word entana. Entaku, entanau, entani, entanai, entatsika, entanareu, entani.